We'd like to thank the San Bernardino County Board of Supervisors for their support of this program.
Welcome to San Bernardino County News Now, your source for the biggest stories happening in the nation's largest county. I'm Martha Guzman Hurtado. Let's get started. One of the region's busiest hospitals for adult trauma care is the county-owned and operated Arrowhead Regional Medical Center in Colton, which is now verified as a Level 1 trauma center. The hospital's dedicated team of healthcare professionals provide the highest level of care to the Inland Empire's most critically injured patients.
ARMC just received Level 1 Trauma Center verification by the American College of Surgeons.
It means that all of these services at the hospital are able to work together in a timely fashion to take a patient from the doorway to the definitive care place. We were Level 2 prior to this. By achieving Level 1 status, we've become a center that doesn't have to transfer any patients out to provide life-saving care.
It is well known as the county hospital that serves the Inland Empire region with high quality medical care, but also a great place to train future physicians and future nurses.
We developed a program, actually just a partnership with our local hospitals to go out and teach them about trauma. It's a phone call, and then we'll set a classroom for their physicians and ER nurses. And we're more than happy to go and provide this education, because our goal is to provide optimal care for all of our patients, not only in our hospital, but in the outside hospitals as well.
So I think having education in addition to being able to deliver high quality care, that's what I think makes this hospital a very special place.
Trauma injuries are a leading cause of death for people under the age of 44. ARMC trauma specialists treat more than 2,500 trauma-related injuries and illnesses every year. Next, we introduce you to a pair of rescued mountain lion cubs who, after a long journey, are settling in at their forever home at the Big Bear Alpine Zoo.
We received two mountain lion cubs. One's named Holly and one's named Hazel. They came to us from the Oakland Zoo. The whole process started when California Fish and Wildlife reached out to us and let us know about two unrelated mountain lion cubs that had been found orphaned. The cubs were not in great shape. Oakland Zoo were able to stabilize the cubs, give them excellent care. Once they were fully healthy and ready to be transported, they came to us.
It's a long journey for these animals, but I think they did excellent. They are now in our quarantine facility, exploring their new home for 30 days. So we want to make sure that we keep it nice and quiet, nice and calm for them, so they can get acclimated to the staff here and to our facility here. And once they get a clean bill of health, we'll be able to move them down to our exhibit. All of the animals here at the Big Bear Alpine Zoo are rescued or rehabilitated. Our facility has been doing rescue and rehab since 1959.
We have a pretty extensive husbandry training plan that we're going to work with them, and that allows them to learn how to participate in their own health care. So it's really valuable. And now we're able to provide a home for them, so we're super excited.
Holly and Hazel are expected to be on display in their permanent natural setting habitat in June after they complete their quarantine period. In May, the Board of Supervisors recognized 37 exceptional county employees during National Public Service Recognition Week. Each employee was nominated by their peers in an annual tradition to honor those who go above and beyond.
It is because of you that we provide such an incredible service to our county and our residents, and we are able to do it because of dedication, because of really truly the inner calling that you all have to public service. Thank you very much on behalf of the entire Board of Supervisors.
Congratulations to all of this year's award recipients. San Bernardino County's 4th District spans 5 cities across the southwest corner of the county. Its more than 400,000 residents are represented by Supervisor Curt Hagman, who has the floor in this month's District Minute.
Thank you, Martha. Hello, I'm Supervisor Curt Hagman, and I represent the 4th District on the Board of Supervisors. Earlier this month, I visited Prado Park. It's great to see all the improvements that have been made possible through the efforts of regional parks and the Department of Public Works. Prado will receive a new entry monument sign, gatehouse, and playground, as well as Wi-Fi rolled out in 2 phases. The Osprey restroom includes new drinking fountains, trash cans, and various ADA accessibility accommodations. Landscape improvements have also been made, making for green grass with all the recent rain. Looking forward to June, I'll be hosting a free document shredding event on Saturday, June 3rd at Chino City Hall. And I'd also like to invite you to join me in our summer open house on Wednesday, June 7th at my district office in Chino Hills. To find out more about these events and to keep up with the latest 4th District news, follow us on social media, or be sure to go to my website and subscribe to our newsletter.
Thank you, Supervisor Hagman. Now for some upcoming community events to mark on your calendar. Fishing workshops, animal exhibits, music, food, and more is happening at the San Bernardino County Fish and Wildlife Festival on June 10th at Prado Regional Park. Admission is $10 per vehicle. The San Bernardino County Public Defender and 30 employers will be participating in a job fair and expungement event on June 15th at the Ontario International Airport. And on June 16th, join the County Museum in Redlands for the opening of Power of the Press, Black Voice News at 50. The exhibit documents the transformation of the printed weekly newspaper into a digital news organization and commemorates 50 years of service as an Inland Empire community news source. That's it for this edition of San Bernardino County News Now. You can watch this and all of our videos by visiting the newsroom section at sbcounty.gov. I'm Martha Guzman Hurtado. Until next time.